Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a quick and easy one. How do we clean our acrylic windows? Now, of course, the acrylic is going to be a little bit softer than glass, so you don't want to be rough with it. You want to use the right materials so that you're not burning the acrylic or damaging it, scratching it and such. The way we do it is very simple. We have a few drops of Dawn dish soap in here, with the rest being water. And of course, you can use distilled water, probably the best, but we're just using regular tap water here. And then I have a microfiber cloth. Just make sure this guy is nice and clean. This is not the same thing you use to wash your wheels with. We'll go ahead and all we have to do, go ahead and give it a good spray. And the Dawn is a really good degreaser, but it's also really nice at letting the cloth kind of glide along. And then you can just come in here, and other folks might have a better technique than this, but this will absolutely work. All right, and then we'll just go ahead and wipe it until it's completely clean. And if there's a lot of dirt and debris and dust, and especially if you have any of that road salt on there, just make sure that you've thoroughly washed the trailer beforehand. Just be careful with this, but get this good and wet. There's not gonna be anything that we're gonna be grinding in to those panels, but after just a few seconds, it is, oh, got a little spot right there. Got to work that. There we are, perfect. And then we can do the exact same thing on the inside. There's no difference. Now, the one thing to know though is you don't want to use a glass cleaner or Windex. Terrible for these windows, but they're not difficult to care for. Hopefully this helps, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.